So recently, Huawei made its first commercial trifold global. This makes us wonder, when will Samsung release its version of a trifold? We have 5 exciting updates about the G Fold, including hints about when it might be released. Personally, I think the Samsung G Fold is exactly what we've been waiting for since the first Z Fold came out. It has been 6 long years since Samsung released its original Fold and marketed it as a smartphone and tablet experience in your pocket. However, the tall cover screen doesn't quite deliver a full flagship smartphone experience. And while that 7.6-inch main screen is big, it still doesn't give you that true tablet feel. If you're anything like me, I think the G Fold will be the first smartphone that fully delivers a smartphone and tablet experience with its 6.5-inch cover and 10-inch main screen that you can call a tablet in your pocket. Based on recent leaks, the frame and one hinge are going to be similar to the Fold 7, but the second hinge is one of its kind. And this is where I love the design of G Fold. Huawei Mate X-T is much more expensive than the traditional Z Fold 6. But what doesn't look right is spending so much money on a design where one screen folds into another. One big issue with this design is that the cover screen is always prone to scratches and damage, no matter how you use it. Samsung will use a G-style folding design where the main display is always wrapped, giving it much more reliability compared to the S-style folding mechanism from Huawei. Since the second hinge needs to be bigger for this approach, one thing I'm curious about with this new hinge design: how much of an impact will it have on creases? Samsung is using a different type of flexible glass on the G Fold that is thinner than the Fold 7, and leakers have confirmed the crease visibility will be the same as the Fold 6. It's not invisible, but honestly, it's only noticeable if you really look closely. Samsung smartphones recently shifted towards the flat sides, and the G Fold will be no different. It will feature a Fold 7-style flat frame, the camera module will be placed in the center of the phone, and it will feature the same camera rings design. Now, Samsung hasn't managed to beat or come close to how slim those Chinese folds are. A leaker mentioned that the G Fold is going to be similar in weight, but will be slightly thicker compared to the Huawei Mate X-T. The G Fold won't be released alongside the Z Fold 7. According to recent leaks, production will start in August, so we expect it to arrive early next year. One area where Samsung might copy Huawei's approach is how they will make it out. Huawei released its trifold only in China first before making it global. As it is going to be an expensive device, Samsung will make it a limited release first too. But before that, Samsung is making a major shift in Z Fold 7. Watch all the details here. This is Techtics, and I will see you there.